show you how to insert page numbers into a research paper. Now you may think like that, is there any kind of clear difference or clear way, exact way we need to know to put in page numbers into a research papers? Yes, actually there's a clear difference between inserting page numbers into a research paper and also other reports like essays like that. According to my experience, many government universities in Sri Lanka, they ask to put Roman numbers into the first page sections of the research, and also original numbering should be started from the chapter 1. And also many European universities asked to put not to put any page numbers into the first page sections, and original numbering should be starting from the chapter 1. So that is the difference, inserting page numbers into a research paper. So now I am going to show you how to do that. And before that, we want to know what are the first pages of the research paper. Actually, this is the title page, table of content, list of tables, list of abbreviation, and these are the things comes under first page section. Apart from that, there may be declaration page and also acknowledgement like that. And our actual research is starting from background of the study. So what they are asking from us, according to them, our first page should be this. Okay, so now we are going to see how we can do that. So first, what we need to do, that we need to go to insert and go to page number and put a type of page number. You can select as your choice and also based on your university requirement. Here today I am choosing bottom of page and accent bar 1 style. Okay, now I put the page numbers to the entire document. So now you can see the first page, second page, third page and fourth page. So the fourth page is the background of the study, but university asked, according to university requirement, this page should be 1. So today we are going to see how we can do that. Now we need to close header and footer. Okay, then we need to clearly identify this is the page we need. This page should be first page. Okay, now we need to go to the earlier page to that. It means third page. Okay, click somewhere here and go to layout and go to breaks and click next page. Okay, now we need to get back these things like this. Okay, now you need to double click the fourth page, and here you can see the link to previous. Now we need to switch off this by clicking. Okay, now our report divide into 2 parts automatically. These first 3 pages in the first pages section, and also other things comes under the second section. Okay, now with this should be page number 1. Again, now you can go to the page numbering and also format page numbers, and here click start at, automatically it gives 1. Okay, see, now our background page is the first page and then gradually second page like that. Okay, now again what we need to do here, we need to remove these page numbers. Okay, double click this and go to page number and remove page numbers, and also close header and footer. And now everything is okay. Here our first pages don't have any page numbers, and also our first page starting from the background of the study. So this is how we can insert the page numbers into a research paper. So I think this will be helpful for you, like that if you want to know everything about your research writing, smart academic writing, ethical writing, how we can use AIs ethically for our research writing, you can follow me. Okay.